American Express cards are often seen as the crown jewel of the credit card world. They're flashy, they're feature-packed, and they're loaded with perks that make you feel like a VIP the moment that metal card hits your hand. But here's the truth. A premium card does not guarantee premium value, and if you don't know how to use these cards correctly, you can end up paying luxury prices for painfully average results. Welcome back to No Nonsense, powered by NerdWallet, where we drop the act and give you all the facts. I'm your host, Steven Smith. If you enjoy videos that help you keep more of your money and not just spend it with confidence, then make sure that you're subscribed to the channel. We focus on practical financial decisions that make sense in real life and not just on paper. And if you've ever wondered whether you're actually getting your money's worth from your American Express card, then you're in the right place. Because nobody wants to pay an $895 annual fee just to redeem points for a $50 gift card and a vague feeling of disappointment. So today, we're breaking down 9 common American Express mistakes that cost people money, points, and opportunities every single year. American Express annual fees are no joke. The Gold card is $325 per year, and the Platinum card is $895. Now, for the right person, those fees can be justified. For the wrong person, they can be very expensive regrets. What many people don't realize is that some cardholders qualify for annual fee relief. For example, active duty military members may be eligible for fee waivers under protections like the Service Member Civil Relief Act and the Military Lending Act. And if you have an American Express corporate card, you may qualify for the Corporate Advantage program, which can provide statement credits toward the annual fee on a personal card. Moving on to mistake number 2, American Express loves advertising credits. Monthly dining credits, rideshare credits, streaming credits, retail credits, they all sound amazing on paper, and it looks like free money. But in reality, a credit card only saves you money if it replaces spending you already do. So if you're ordering food delivery just to use a credit you wouldn't normally use, then you're not saving money, you're just redirecting your spending. Most of these credits are ultra specific and they're use it or lose it. Some reset monthly, others are quarterly, some are semi-annually or even annually. So if you're stretching your lifestyle just to justify them, the card is winning, not you. Mistake number 3 is using points through the American Express travel portal. I know that feels convenient, but convenience often comes at a cost. Now, while flights and certain premium hotel bookings can sometimes deliver solid value, many hotel redemptions through the portal offer weaker returns on your points. In simple terms, you may be trading something valuable for something mediocre, and member reward points are flexible currency, so if you redeem them without considering value, then you're potentially leaving money on the table. Now, mistake number 4 is one of the most painful because it's irreversible. Once you transfer membership reward points to a travel partner, there is no undo button. A lot of people transfer points first and check availability later. Then they realize there are no seats, there's no routes for their city, there are no award space on their dates, and now the points are just stuck. My simple rule of thumb is always check award availability before transferring. And if you really want to level up, wait for transfer bonuses because American Express frequently runs promotions that give you extra miles for the same number of points, which can dramatically increase the value of your redemption. Mistake number 5 is using membership reward points for cash back or gift cards, and this is one of the fastest ways to destroy value. Many cashback redemptions come in well under 1 cent per point, which means you're basically turning valuable rewards into discounted cash. If cashback is your goal, American Express offers cards that are designed specifically for that purpose. But if you're earning membership reward points, your best value always comes from travel redemptions, especially transfers to partners. Moving on to mistake number 6. Now, not all American Express cards are meant to be used the same way. Each card has its own strategies, they have their own strengths. For example, the Gold card excels at dining and groceries, while the Platinum card shines when booking flights and hotels. When people swipe the Platinum card at the grocery store earning 1 point per dollar instead of using the Gold card and earning 4 points, they're leaving value on the table every single time. Over the course of a year, that mistake can add up far more than most people realize. The goal isn't to spend more, the goal is to earn more for spending you already do. Mistake number 7 has to do with membership reward points. They generally require at least one active points earning card to stay alive. So if you cancel your only eligible card without transferring, redeeming, or just downgrading, those points disappear. So before you cancel a card, make sure you have a plan. Transfer your points, redeem them wisely, or just downgrade to a lower fee card. That way you can still preserve your reward balance. If you cancel without a plan, it's like throwing away a savings account because you don't like the bank. All right, we're on mistake number 8. Now, hidden inside your American Express account is a feature that many people forget exists, and it's called Amex offers. Now, these are targeted promotions that can provide statement credits or bonus points for spending you may already be doing. Activating these offers only takes a few seconds, and over time, they can potentially save you hundreds of dollars. Ignoring them isn't just costing you convenience, it's costing you money. Finally, mistake number 9. American Express generally operates on a once per lifetime welcome bonus rule for each card, meaning you typically only get one shot. So timing is extremely important. Applying when the offer is low can cost you a lot of points. Before you apply, it's worth checking the referral offers. Targeted promotions and comparison tools are also available to make sure that you get the best offer. American Express even shows a pop-up, so if you're not eligible for the welcome offer before running your credit, it can save you from an unpleasant surprise. American Express cards can unlock some serious value, but only if you use them intentionally. The good news is, once you know these mistakes, you can avoid them. If this video helped you see your Amex card differently, then make sure that you're subscribed to No Nonsense. We post content designed to help you stop leaking money and to start making smarter financial moves without overcomplicating things. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.